escape Pinchy, you insignificant speck! You're next, you little blue pest! I'll cross this bridge, no matter the cost! No! It can't be!
Help me! Please, anyone! I'm stuck! Oh no! It's happening!
No! No! Ha! No! 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 Hot! It's too hot! I can't!
No! The tracks! They're gone! Oh! Help me!
Help, anyone? Don't worry, Thomas is coming!
I must keep going! I'm almost there! No, Thomas, stop! It's collapsing! I have to keep going! I'm almost there! The bridge is giving out! Watch out, Thomas! I can't stop now! You won't be saved this time! We're slipping! Hang on! Don't let go!
Hold on! Oh, just a little further! Hurry, I can feel the ground giving way! Not giving up now! One final push! Help, Thomas! Don't worry, Cranky's here. Thanks, Cranky. Keep going, Percy! We're almost through! It's so hard to breathe, Thomas!
I found a safe spot here, Percy. Let's take a look.
It's bad, Thomas.
We'll figure it out. Just rest now.
Unbelievable! Original Northwestern Railway parts. Thomas, look! These are brand new! After all these years. Alright, this first plate is the hardest. Just a little more. There. Careful now. Alright, this is it. Oh, Thomas, please work. There. Now let's see you breathe, Percy. Come on, Percy, you can do it. Just a little turn, that's it. Keep going. Woohoo, Percy, you've got this. Let's go! We made it, Percy. So bright. It's so bright. Team Motor Vision. All right, let's take a look at the damage on these engines. Looks like Thomas needs a new boiler.
Percy's frame is pretty bent up too.
This is going to be a big job.
I don't know if I can keep going. We'll fix you, Percy. Just hold on.
Wow, look at that. It's working perfectly. Incredible. All right, Percy, smokestack is clear. Now for the valves.
Oh, this is gonna be a big job.
We'll have you running again soon, Thomas. Okay, here we go, digging into this stubborn grime around his eyes. You're getting there, Percy, hang tight. Just a few more stubborn bits in the cheeks, look at that water flow.
Sometimes the most miraculous things begin from seemingly forgotten ruins. Today's story isn't just about repairing a machine, but about the resurrection of a railway soul nearly consumed by the evil diesel 10.
Look at that go! Wow, I can't believe it. Excellent, feels perfect. Solid work. Almost done, mate. There, looking good as new.
This one's really seized. Whoa, getting it now. Finally starting to move.
The rust is really thick on this one. I need to apply some good pressure to get through to the metal.
Witnessing Percy lying motionless, his legendary green exterior corroded to the bone by dark brown rust.
All right, let's see the progress.
Locomotive number 6 could once again sound its
Looking
resounding
good,
whistle.
almost ready for
But
paint.
with the timely arrival of Thomas,
All right, hold it steady.
Got it.
Push harder.
It's moving.
Keep turning. We got it.
All right, Percy, this is going to be a tough one. Just a little more leverage. Heavy as lead. We'll get you a new one.
The concentricity is off by 3 centimeters.
That's a lot of deviation.
Yes, the impact was severe. Let me check here. Looks like 5 here.
The patch is solid, just need to let it cool. Good work. Percy's water tank will hold now. Oh, that feels so much better. I can feel the tension leaving my joints. Looks perfect, smooth as glass. Ready for primer. Excellent work, team. It's time. All right, perfect alignment. Now for the scribe to mark the cut and double check against the measurement.
Hero in hopeful
Time for an
dream,
upgrade, Percy.
And the magical touch
These
of
old
the
pipes are done.
engineers at T-Moto Vision. An inspiring
Looking
transformation
good, much
journey
better
began.
now.
We will
Almost
journey
there.
through the mist of brilliant
Looking
metal
good.
grinding sparks. Feel the heat of the welds
Yeah,
patching up
that's a
every
perfect
wound on the
finish.
boiler body.
Almost done, Percy. Just a few more touch-ups. Thank you, I can feel the difference already. I'm shaping the steel fender panel, Percy. See how the metal bends as I turn the crank, making that unique curve. You're looking good, Percy. Clean and ready to go. Perfect, she's ready. Yes, the final polish looks incredible.
Ora galing guys stone na kalo idaman ni siyo mi.
Almost got it. Just need to smooth out this last blind corner.
Excellent. 0 imperfections. Ready for paint. Keep still, Percy.
Looking great, Percy.
Just a little more on the axle.
Almost done.
Perfect. Ready for primer. Primer looks flawless.
Perfection.
Perfection. Ready for the next stage.
And admire the astonishing meticulousness as each rusted
Perfect.
bolt is replaced
Number
with
6 is
gleaming
ready.
galvanized components. From
The iconic green is
matte red
finally
primer
back.
coats to the vibrant green and handcrafted red
Look at that
stitching
gloss.
emerges under the studio lights.
Almost done, Percy. Just these last details. It's looking perfect, thank you. Almost there. It looks perfect, Percy. Thank you, Thomas. It feels good to have my number back. Perfect. She's humming like a dream. All right, together now. Lift it. Steady, steady. Looks aligned. Perfect. Pass me the screw gun. Got it. Securing the bottom now. Perfect fit, it's snug. Look at that, Percy. All done. All right, time to flip the switch.
Good, huh?
Perfect, like a small palace. All right, hook secured on the valve. Lifting the valve now. Careful. Good. Next, the chimney. Steady as she goes. All right, here's Thomas with the brand new brass chimney. Percy is gonna love this. Woohoo! A shiny new chimney. Oh, look at that brilliant green. It's perfect.
Just a little more, old friend.
It's so glossy and new. Amazing work. She's gleaming.
The best she's looked in years.
Toot toot.
You're perfect, Percy.
You're finally finished, Percy. Take a look. Wow. I look incredible. All right, Percy, give it all you've got. Yes, perfect.
You'll see the true definition of revival.
Ready
This
for
is
a new
journey
journey,
of
Percy?
perseverance,
Absolutely,
where
Thomas.
cold steel
Let's
and
go.
rust give way to polished perfection, proving that when friendship and top-notch technique combine, legends never fade but
All
are
right,
simply
Percy,
waiting to
ready for
shine
primer.
once more.
Indeed.